Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Charger battery. First, gather your essential tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear safety glasses and protective gloves to shield yourself from potential battery acid or electrical hazards. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery conveniently located in the trunk, typically under the spare tire cover. Using your 10mm wrench, first disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive terminal. Remember, always disconnect the negative first to prevent accidental short circuits. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp, which usually involves a single bolt, to free the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and cable terminals with a wire brush for optimal connection. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Reattach and tighten the hold-down clamp to prevent any movement. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both firmly. You're almost done. Double-check all your battery connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, start your Dodge Charger to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You might need to reset some electronic systems, like your radio or clock, as they may have lost power during the swap. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling facility. Never just throw it away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.